I got Tucker on my head, you guys. Here's the other t-shirts too I got, you guys. That you'll find in my product showcase. I got Dino T right here. Proof that dinosaurs won't excel. And you can tell which one that is right here. Tucker's got 2 t-shirts, you guys. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Desiree. Thank you. And then, of course, I got this t-shirt, too, which I think is really cool. My Unflocking Believable tee with Gail Z. Wellesley on it. And then it says, when you think you're being judged, you probably are, with a cockatiel at the bottom. Do you like this t-shirt, JoJo? Is that why you keep whistling? Is that why you keep whistling? Oh.